In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to online on the new Microsoft Outlook using a Mac Fast 2025 guide. If Outlook on your Mac says working offline or your inbox isn't updating, follow along and we'll quickly bring it back online. We'll start with your connection, then walk through the fastest fixes inside Outlook and Mac OS so you can get back to sending and receiving mail. First, confirm your Mac is actually online. Connect to Wi-Fi or plug in with Ethernet. Then open a web browser and try loading a few sites. If pages don't load, toggle Wi-Fi off and on or restart your router. You'll only see Outlook go online when the internet itself is working. Next, force Outlook to reconnect. Open Outlook, go to the Outlook menu at the top left of your screen and choose Sync All. Give it a few seconds. Watch the status at the bottom of the window. If it changes to connected and messages start appearing, you're good to go. If it still shows working offline, do a hard refresh by quitting and reopening the app. Click Outlook in the menu bar and choose Quit Outlook, then relaunch it from your Dock or Applications folder. The new Outlook reestablishes its connection to Microsoft servers on launch, and this quick restart often clears the offline flag. If that doesn't work, check macOS Network Permissions. Open System Settings, select Network, then Firewall. If the firewall is on, make sure Outlook is allowed to accept incoming connections. If there's an Options button, ensure Outlook is set to Allow. This prevents the firewall from silently blocking the app. Still offline? Sign out and sign back in to reset sync. In Outlook, go to the Outlook menu and choose Sign Out. Quit Outlook completely, reopen it, and sign in again. This refreshes your account token and forces Outlook into online mode. If you're using a VPN, a proxy, or a restrictive work network, those can block Outlook's connection. Temporarily turn the VPN or proxy off, then reopen Outlook. If mail starts flowing, you found the culprit. You may need to add an exception or use a less restrictive network. Finally, update the new Outlook. Updates fix most online and offline glitches. In Outlook, click Help, choose Check for Updates, install anything available, and restart Outlook when it's done. Keeping the app current is one of the best ways to avoid connection issues. That's it. Start with your internet, sync all, relaunch, confirm firewall access, sign out and back in, disable VPN or proxy if needed, and finish by updating Outlook. You should now see Outlook back online and your inbox syncing normally.